this shit. I wish I
So what do you think, John? You're from California, right?
What I think about life, love, liberty, the pursuit of happiness, or
No, this block. You're going to go back
it's
to
the
California
bomb. It is the bomb.
and work with this.
I've been building houses for what, 32 years now, and I've never seen anything so simple and easy. And my struggle is that it is so simple and easy. I keep wanting to think like California building, complicated, structural, waterproofing, all that kind of stuff. But here, this is astonishing, actually.
So you think you're going to change your ways and go towards
I
block?
don't want to go back to stick framing. And I can't believe how green it is.
Gee, what did you say? You don't want to go back to what?
Did I say that? Oh my God.
You don't want to go back to
To all
what?
my friends who are invested in lumber companies. No, I won't go back. This is just, usually on a house this size, we would have big piles of drop off, cut pieces of 2x4 that just end up in landfill. And then what? And this, it's fireproof, it's bug proof. Even I couldn't fuck it up. You know what I'm saying?
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.